2010, when I was painting a lot for fun, Facebook had gotten invented, and people were posting artwork and pictures of their food and pictures of their pets. And so I started posting pictures of my paintings. And then people started saying, "How much is that?" And I was like, $50. And I thought that was a lot of money, $50. And so, but they didn't. They were like, "Sold. How much is shipping?" And I said, $50. And they said, "Great, I can't wait to get my painting." And at the time, I lived in Taiwan when that started happening. So I was living off of almost nothing. My rent was $100 a month at that time. So $50 paintings were completely covering my cost of living. And that is the first moment in my life where I was like, oh, I wonder if painting for a living is possible using the internet to find buyers. But I never imagined that the paintings would increase in value. I just thought, okay, I'll just live in Taiwan forever and sell paintings online. It'll be great.